Namaskar, hello and welcome to special program of CIET NCERT. It's a webinar on ICT tools. Well, there are various ICT tools available in the industry, in the technology right now. So right now in this particular session we are going to talk about creating interactive worksheets using liveworksheets.com. What are live worksheets? What do they do? How are they helpful? How are they useful? That is the question our expert is going to answer. Live worksheets allows us to transform our traditional printable worksheets, which is a PDF file, a JPF file and a document, to interactive online exercises with self-correction. So that how are they going to help us, the teachers, the students and you people and even me? So that is what we are going to find out. If you have any questions, any queries regarding liveworksheets.com, then please contact us. You can call us on our toll-free numbers. The numbers are 1800112199 and 1800111265. You can also email us your queries on ciet.kishoremanch@gmail.com. You're watching us live on SWAYAM Prabha's channel number 31, Kishore Manch, and you're watching us live on our YouTube channel NCERT Official. In the live chat box also you can write your questions and submit. Our expert, he'll be more than happy to answer all of them. Let's meet him. We have with us Mr. Arumugam Munusamy. Welcome, sir.
Good evening. Namaskar.
Hello, sir. Sir is a graduate teacher English at Panchayat Union Middle School, Motiyanur, Salem, Tamil Nadu. Let's begin with this discussion. Sir, what are these liveworksheets.com? What are you going to explain in this session to me and to the students?
I am going to explain the entire possibilities of live worksheets. This is the title of the live worksheets. Creating interactive worksheets is very interesting topic today. We are preparing, we are assessing students using formative and summative techniques. For that purpose, we are preparing variety of worksheets, either handwritten or printouts. We are spending more time to prepare worksheets and grading. Students also doing writing and submission process monotonously. This process sometimes leads to some boring activity for the students as well as teachers. A tree to be cut down to produce thousands of worksheets or a workbook. This is one problem. In this pandemic situation, we are not contact our students personally. This is another problem. This webinar deals how to overcome these problems effectively. That's all. Shall we go now? Next slide.
Yes, sir. Please.
Okay. The session objectives are: after the end of the session, the participants will be able to know what is an interactive worksheet, understand how to create an interactive worksheet, utilize the website to create workbooks, assign the workbooks to the students, managing students and grading, and make use of public worksheets. For that purpose, we are going to use the website www.liveworksheets.com. This is the website name we are going to use. Okay. What is an interactive worksheet? Interactive worksheets are alternate to traditional worksheets. We are regularly preparing lot of worksheets using papers. We are spending more and more paper. We are cutting down more and more trees. Traditional worksheets are static, which has no dynamic elements, but those traditional worksheets has some interactive elements such as converted into some interactive elements such as drag and drop, choose, fill in the gaps, audio and video, etc. After creation of your worksheet, that worksheet will speak, that worksheet will move, that worksheet will listen. This is the effective part of this session. Okay. Next, what is the process? Just we have to upload the traditional printable worksheets or handwritten worksheets. It may be either a document, Word document, or a PDF, or a JPEG, or a PNG file. Any type of document can be uploaded. Just we are giving life to ordinary worksheets by drawing text boxes on the worksheet and putting some simple commands. The simple commands will be just join, then choose, and so on. Interactive, after completing this process, the interactive online exercises, the traditional worksheets converted into interactive online exercises with self-assessments. The system, that online tool, automatically put marks to the worksheets. Okay? Then next, what is the result? Product. Students can do the worksheets online and send their answers to the teacher. If the student is a registered student, the teacher will see the worksheets and do some corrections. This kind of activity will lead to student will be motivated. They will be doing the worksheets interestingly and saves time for the teachers as well as students. The main important thing is saves paper. Saves paper leads to the protect our environment. This is the ultimate aim of this worksheets into interactive worksheets. Okay.
Okay.
Next point. What are the steps to be followed to convert the traditional worksheets into our interactive worksheets? Only 3 steps. Step number 1, upload your document. Step number 2, draw text boxes on the uploaded document wherever you require. Step number 3, put some simple commands. Save the document and serve to students. That's all. Simple process. It will create more results. Okay.
Okay.
Then what are the best features of this website? It is a freemium tool. A teacher can utilize 1,20,000 of worksheets as free. More and more public worksheets are available for all the subjects, which are created by the teachers among the world, all around the world. It supports n number of languages because it uses Unicode. And listen and response systems, 18 languages supported. The only Indian language, Hindi, is supported by this system. As well as speech recognition, 18 languages, Hindi is supported. MP3 for creating listening comprehension. Google Classroom integration is available. We can embed the code of interactive worksheets into your website or a blog easily. This is the essential features of this website. Okay, you will go to demo part. Okay, I will show some of the worksheets created by me.
So
okay.
Is there?
This is the first one.
So
Yes.
Is
This
there
is the
any In the meanwhile, is there any Android or iOS app available for these worksheets?
No ma'am, there is no Android and iOS support is available, but you can access through Google Chrome with any device. You can access from the tab, mobile phone or anything.
But it's only website.
Yes,
Okay.
through Chrome or Safari browser, which supports very well. Okay. This is the sample joining type worksheet. Here some names are there: DVD, smartphone, hard disk, pen drive and memory card. These are names of devices. Here are the pictures. We have to connect the names with the pictures. Okay, this is the worksheet. We have to join with a line. The simple command we have to use to construct this worksheet is join command. Okay.
Okay.
The title of this worksheet is match pictures with waves. Okay. DVD. DVD will be connected here.
Okay.
Then hard disk connected, smartphone connected, then pen drive connected here, and memory card connected. Okay. After finishing this work, we have to touch the finish button. It will pop down on dialog box. It has two options. First one is check my answer and another one is email my answers to my teacher. We have to check my answer. Okay. Okay, we got 10 out of 10. This is the sample join exercise. Okay.
Okay.
Join type worksheet. Okay.
Okay.
Then we will move on to next worksheet. Next one is word search example. Word search. This is word search example. I will load it. Okay. This is word search example. It is useful for language teachers as well as mathematics teachers. All the teachers can utilize this kind of word search examples. Okay. Worksheets. Here, this is a 10 by 10 grid. I want to reveal the words available in the grid. Okay. Then first one is unique. U-N-I-Q-U-E, unique. Then exhaust. This is second one. Third one is accurately. Accurately. Fourth one is patient. Fifth one is fiction. Just easily student can make the find out the words. Okay, after reveal the words, you have to click the finish button and check the answers. Some mistakes happen because exhaust or anything. Patient, accurately, UNIQE, FICTION. All the answers are correct. Sometimes it will produce some calculations. That's why the system produce some less marks. Teacher can correct at the workbook area. Okay.
Okay.
Then next we will move to another worksheet. Drop down list box H5P. Okay. This is another worksheet. Interactive worksheet. Here, can you say the name of the product? This is H5P. Student will identify the name of the product. Want to identify the name of the product? HTML5 program, HTML5 package, high-tech 5 project. This is the example for drop down. This is a text box which has many options available inside the text box. This text box is called drop down text box or drop down list box. We have to use choose command. We have to use choose command to build this worksheet, this type of worksheet. Okay. The answer is HTML5 package. After choose, we have to check my answer. 10 out of 10. Okay. This is another example. And then next worksheet. fill in with the MP3. Okay. The worksheet is loading. Listening comprehension. This worksheet contains a MP3 file, audio file. Here is the MP3 audio file, and below the audio file there are 3 questions and answer text boxes. There are 3 questions and 3 answer boxes. After listening the audio, the student should answer the questions given below. Okay. Okay, I will run the MP3 content.
India's national park in the Himalayan Hills, the Hailey National Park in Uttarakhand, India. It was initially named after Lord Malcolm Hailey. Jim Corbett died on 19th April 1955. The park was renamed in 1957 as the Jim Corbett National Park. It was named after him to honor his role in establishing this protected area in 1980s.
Okay, then is it audible?
Yes, sir. Not properly clear, but yes, it was audible. Even I noted the last answer. It's 1957 when it was renamed as Jim Corbett.
Thank you. Who played a key role in establishing the national park? We have to. This is a fill in the blanks type question. Student will have to answer here. Jim Corbett. This is the answer. Students may use capital letter or small letter. We have to put expected answer in capital letter and small letter. Then what was the name of the park initially? Hailey National Park. This is the answer. We have to put blank space here. Then 1957 is the answer said by you. Can you check the answers?
Yes, sir.
Check my answers. Okay, 10 by 10. Then we got 10 out of 10 marks. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Right. We will move on to next worksheet. Drag and drop.
So, how many worksheets are here?
These are samples. I will demo at least 3 or 4. According to, if time permits, I will do more and more. Okay.
Okay.
And drag and drop. This is drag and drop type worksheet. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 boxes, and here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 answer boxes. Okay. We have to drag these answers to these places. Okay. The village was dash with excitement. The answer is
Filled
with excitement. Okay. We have to choose this one and drag. I will minimize somewhat simple. Okay. Here is our answer. Okay. Answer is not fitted in that particular area. We have to set it correctly. Okay, filled. Then the boys were more excited. More excited is the right answer. Okay. Then they were taking their treasure. Then 1, 2, 10, 12. He had 12 coins. Then they would buy countless things. Okay, you will check the answer. This is an example of drag and drop. if time permits, I will demo how to create this one. I will demo later.
Okay.
Finish. Then out of 10 out of 10. Okay. Then we will move on to next worksheet. True or false.
So there are a lot of varieties I can see.
Varieties are more varieties are available. At least 10 varieties are there.
Okay.
Okay, this is simply true or false type worksheet. Say true or false. This is a text-based question. So, Mani's hobby is playing cricket. This is here. This is a fill in the blanks type text box available. We have to type here inside the text box. We have to type true or false. If the right answer is true, the mark will be added. Otherwise, the mark will be subtracted. Okay. Mani's hobby is playing cricket is wrong answer. So I type false. And then hobbies are unique to people. Hobbies are unique to people.
That is true.
Yes, true. Very good. Next, people have hobbies only to pass time. False.
False.
Okay. Then finish. Check my answers. Okay. This is another example for true or false. And then next one. Next worksheet is MCQ, multiple choice. For multiple choice, we have to use select colon command. Okay. Here there are three answers A, B, C. Inside the box, the teacher should type the correct answer. If it is a correct answer, the teacher should type select colon yes. Otherwise, select colon no. Okay. Then Mani imagined a world with magic and magicians is the right answer, I think so. When Mani started writing things, he was unable to describe them accurately is the right answer, I think so. Then Mani feels writing is like painting the voice. Okay, check my answers. Okay, so far we have analyzed at least 7 numbers of items, 7 number of elements, interactive elements, and then one more element is listen. We will this is very important, that's why I am going to show that listen type worksheet. Okay, here differently I have generated this one yesterday. Language variations to show language variations here. Is it audible? Then we
Play again, sir.
Okay, this one is right answer.
Okay.
But next one.
Right.
Yeah. This one.
Monkey. Tiger.
Okay, this is very useful for the language teachers to develop, to identify the exact pronunciation. This worksheet is important for language teachers. Okay, 10 out of 10. Okay, one more thing, I will try. If it is possible, the system will produce the right results. Otherwise,
Sir, do we have different languages for this one?
yeah, yes, Hindi ko we can produce. This is a Hindi example. This is joining type. Listening also we can produce Hindi listening exercise also. Okay.
Okay. So, does it have regional languages or foreign languages?
We can produce, we can make any type of regional languages here using this website. Okay.
Okay.
I will check it Hindi. Okay. I have produced some Hindi worksheets for you also. You have to answer all the questions. Okay. Danvi,
Okay.
are you ready now?
Yes, sir.
What is this? Guy, this one.
Sing.
Shing,
Sing.
this one. What is this?
Bakra. Bakra.
Bagra, this one.
Bakra.
Bandar, this one. Hathi. I learned Hindi yesterday only.
Okay. This is very interesting and helpful.
Yeah. Okay, I don't, I am unable to read Hindi words, but I converted using Google Converter. Okay.
Okay.
And next, these are the examples for speak type. Listen type. I want to show one more important speaking example. Okay.
Okay.
This one. Speak about the picture. The system will listen the sounds produced by the user. After clicking this mic button, the student should produce the sound. After getting the sound, the system types the answer here. Okay. I will try it. Apple. Apple. Book. Cat. Cat. Apple. Book. Kite. Sometimes browser doesn't support. If browser support is very essential for this type of speak example.
Okay.
Sometimes the browser failed to recognize the pronunciation. Yesterday it works well, but today is not. It's happy. Okay. Okay, we will move on to next one.
Okay.
Multiple choice. Okay. In this way, we can add many interactive elements into our worksheet. Okay. I will move on to how to produce a word search example. Okay. For that, I want to use this area, make interactive worksheet. Okay. If you click this menu item, this will show 3 sub-menu items: tutorial, video tutorial, and get started. You have to click get started. You have to choose the file from your drive. It may be a handwritten or pre-printed, anything. Choose a file from your drive. I will select hobby. This is the word search example. The file will be uploaded. Okay. The same worksheet. We have to draw text box on the grid. This is important thing. This is the area we have to edit the uploaded document. These are the tools. First one is edit tool, second one is preview tool, third one is save tool, fourth one is discard, and fifth one is upload background document. Okay. By pressing default tool is edit tool, we have to draw a text box on this grid. This is a 10 by 10 grid. So in the left corner of the left corner of the worksheet, that is on the text box, we have to type word search. Word search. It will show a dialog box which has two items. It asks two details. First one is number of rows. Second one is number of columns. This is a 10 by 10 grid. So I have put 10 rows and 10 columns and then save. Your worksheet is almost ready, but you have to reveal the test answers here. Exhaust. This is the first one. Then second one is unique. U-N-I-Q-U-E. Unique. Third one is accurately. Then fourth one is passionate.
Sir, that's the reason I think you got 9 out of 10 because you took passion and you didn't do passionate.
Yes. Okay, sorry. Okay, fiction, passionate. I have marked all the answers here. I am preparing the worksheet. I have marked all the answers, and then we can check with preview. This is the preview part. We can check the answers are correct or not. Exhaust, then unique, then accurately. Just we are checking the answers before uploading. Okay, accurately, then passion. Passionate, okay.
Yeah.
Then last one is fiction. The system calculate the answers very accurately, but we made some mistakes. Okay.
Right.
Our answers are correct or not. We will check with this preview. Check the answers. Is it 10 out of 10? Okay. Our answers are correct. Our worksheet is ready. We can save the document. Save the worksheet. Here there are two options. So first one is we can keep it as private and then we can share the worksheet among other teachers. Okay. I want to share this document among other teachers. So I will click this one. I have to provide a title, word search. Then language, English. We have to select English, and then school subject also English. English as second language and grade level 8th standard, and the main content vocabulary, and then other content word search. Then description, age from 8 to 13. Okay. Then description solve the puzzle. Okay, that's all. Do you want to share the document as PDF? We can share the document as PDF. If we press yes, the users can download as PDF. If you press no, the other teachers can't able to download this as PDF. Okay.
Okay.
Embedding, I am going to permit embedding. Embedding means I already told. I want to save here. The worksheet is ready. Open the worksheet. Okay. Shall we check the answers once again? The worksheet is available as public. We can assign to our student. Then next one is unique, accurately, then passionate, and then pixel. Okay, then we can check the answers. Okay, in the same way we can generate word search type worksheets. Okay, this worksheet can be added into our workbook. Workbook is a collection of worksheets which can be assigned to a particular student. Add to workbook is one option. Which is available in my login area. Add to my workbook. I have 5 classrooms, 4th to 8th. 5 workbooks are available. I will assign this workbook worksheet to this workbook, 8th standard workbook. Add worksheet to selected workbook. This is workbook of 8th standard. I will assign this worksheet to the 8th standard. Okay.
Okay.
The worksheet is available in 8th standard workbook. If you want to check the workbook, you have to go to the menu item in your login, my workbook, check it in 8th standard workbook. I have created many workbooks. These are the workbooks. This is 8th standard workbook. This is the latest recently added worksheet which is available here. These are all already I have assigned to my student 113 worksheet. This is the latest one. This is 115th worksheet is added here. In this way we can assign the worksheets to workbook and workbook to our students. Students are solving the worksheets interestingly. I will show my students performance here. Time is not there, that's why I am going to finish early. I want to show my students performance here. I have 5 classrooms. My 8th standard classroom, this is 8th standard, this is 7th standard students, this 13, 14 students are there, and then 6th standard, 5th and 4th standard. These are all my students. I want to check the worksheets done by my student Kausik. This is workbook of Kausik. He completed many worksheets. Total number of worksheets assigned 114 exercises. He finished 114 exercises, total points and average points. Teacher can review the answers here. Here is a toolbar available. Teachers can change the grade using change grade option. We can reduce the marks or increase the marks, okay? According to the performance by the student. Also, you can type some comments here. Good. In this way, this is a drawing tool, and then this is rectangle tool, this is circle tool. Using these tools, teacher can make some corrections on the, using this one, teacher can make some corrections on the worksheet. Okay, after finishing this one, teacher can save the changes. Okay.
Sir,
okay, how can I finish this session?
yes sir, we've got 5 minutes left.
Then one more important thing is, I will go to my area, my worksheets. This is a simple worksheets created by me. In Tamil language also we can create worksheets. This is sample for Tamil language, as well as we can check I have created a Hindi worksheet here. Hindi word search. This is the word search created by me in Hindi word search. Okay. So any language is not a barrier to produce worksheets here. Okay. We can produce any type of we can produce any type of worksheets in any language. That is the ultimate aim of this administrators. Okay. Then one more thing is important, because this is a freemium site. We can produce 1,20,000. We can utilize 1,20,000 worksheets as free.
Okay.
10
And
classrooms.
after that, do we have to pay?
No, at free of cost we can utilize 1,20,000. We can check the my subscription. Here is the my subscription. This is my subscription as free.
Okay.
The administrator of the website opens the door up to the December 2020, where all the worksheets are free. Here, before that, $10, but at present free.
Okay.
Okay, where we can add 250 students, private worksheets 125 and so on. At free of cost, we can maintain at least 100 students, private worksheets 30. Private worksheets means we can maintain as kept with us. Okay. If it is a public, there is no limit. Okay. Groups means here classes. How many classes a teacher can maintain here is 10 classes. How many workbooks? 10 workbooks. Each workbook can contain 120 worksheets. Okay. Already my 8th standard student reached 114 worksheets. Okay.
Okay.
In this way, 10 workbooks, 10 groups, 10 workbooks contains 120 worksheets equals to 1,200 worksheets into 100 students equals to 1,20,000 worksheets can be used by a teacher at free of cost. Okay. Okay, then shall we finish this session?
Okay. All right. So, can I ask a few questions?
Okay.
So, I can see your photo was there. So, you have logged in. So, the login, the registration process, is it mandatory?
Okay, I will tell you the details. Student access is, there are two types of student access. First one is by registered way, another one is by teacher permitted way.
Okay.
Teacher can give some access, some username and password. For example, I will show my students area. Here, 8th standard, show my usernames and password. Okay, this I want to select this classroom, and then show my username and password. Okay, wait.
So, we have got last 1 minute left.
Okay. I will show the username and password of a particular student. Kausik's username is Kausik S and Kausik123 is the password. Using this password, I will tell this password and username to my student Kausik. He will enter into the site using the student access part. Okay, by giving the username and password here. Okay, that's all.
Okay. All right. Thank you so much, sir, for this session. It was interesting knowing about liveworksheets.com, and it's actually very helpful for the teachers, and it's an interesting way to teach the students as well. Thank you so much for joining.
Thank you for giving this wonderful opportunity to the CIT, NCERT team and all the SWAYAM Prabha and Kishore Manch team. Also, I request all
trying to learn something new, then you can definitely use this website. Thank you for watching this session, and keep on watching NCERT's online resource material, because we are coming back next with another special program of ours, Sahayog, Guidance for Mental Well-Being. Stay with us, don't go anywhere. We've got a lot of subjects, a lot of topics for all of you on daily basis. Stay safe, stay protected. Namaste.